Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to generate QR code with Python. Only 5 lines of code. First, open your code editor. I'm using VS Code here, then name your file. Then install PyQR code module in your PC. Line is already installed. Now import PyQR code module. First, create a variable. It's gonna contain whatever we write inside the QR code. And by using input method, we can get user input from terminal. Now create another variable, and to get the QR code file name, follow me. For creating the QR code, we have to write this line. Then to save the QR code, we have to use the PNG method. Now, let's see what happened when we run our code. First, we have to write the QR codes inside character. I'm writing it a B, C, D, E, F, G. Then we have to give the name of QR code saving file. I'm naming it as QR file. So as you can see, our QR code is generated and the file is here, qrfile.png. Now if you want to color the QR code, follow me. You have to use module color method. And its only support RGB colors. And yes, you have to use third bracket. I'm going to color it red, so the color code will be 25500. Let's run the code and see what's happened now. You can see our red file is here. You can name it as you want. Now, as you can see, our QR code color is red. And our QR code is also red. You can make it any RGB color. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and like. See you next. Goodbye.